night is 1,000, whole day 1,500, full house, I don't know what that is. If you break the condom, it's 500 rands. What is 30 minutes, blow and dog, normal and blow, massage and ooh. Here's money.
Let's call the officers there for me.
Yeah, to this thing.
Call the officers there, please.
They're paying crazy this people. I think it's the jukebox. Oh, no. Yeah. But this is how they. Yo. Give us new.
Can I have that?
What's your name?
One.
Yes, sir. This is the same person who bought inside. This one is naughty. No, we found you in Sunnyside. I remember you.
I don't work service.
I remember you.
This is my friend.
Your friend? He can't be you. So your friend and you got the same name.
Yeah, the same name.
Listen. They've got the same name.
Yeah, the same name.
No. Where did you get this thing? When did you get it?
Long, 2009. 2009.
He's saying you got the ID 2009. The date of issue here is 2003.
No, this one is old one. This make it really new.
Look, they are not doing any more green ID. No more. Since 2023, this thing was phased out. You are playing games well. I'm telling you, we are not doing green IDs anymore. You take a fraud. This one is fraud.
I need to use this for the exhibition.
Look, the date, 2023. I'll sign that ID there. The green card. Yes,
F number. Then.
I grew up in Mabopane. You are insulting us. What do you want? The Royal, they call it Iphi Ntombi in the CBD of Tshwane. We are going to arrest this guy. This guy has been here in South Africa from 2017. His work permit says 2021 and expired 2023 in June. So he's here illegally. What we are going to do, we are going to even arrest his employer because he must be charged. But this one, we are going to arrest and deport. Thank you very much.
Leader, Beara Tshwane, Nasiphi Moya o tswaletse Iphi Ntombi. Establishment ela Iphi Ntombi. Ibile ba dile video ba botšitše di price. Ba ratsa ke ba re ba yo bonus ba savile bonus ya go papalla le bo balobial. Ngwaolo yana maka Christmas ka hore lo ja beetroot bieta ka Christmas. Le tlo krea ba yona se ka Christmas di bana bo krea di cricket. Iphi Ntombi tswale lo krea di cricket yo shona di baby mama le ka start halesalwa le ntwa alilu December alilu go ja Christmas dieta go ja Christmas Iphi Ntombi tswale bonus ja bana ba lena di safe.
We are taking a decision as the leadership. We are closing it, and we are going to monitor this process of closing the Iphi Ntombi area. We are going to.
Yeah. Our leadership.